How to aggregate a boolean field with null values with pandas? I'm working with pandas for the first time and I'm having some issues with aggregation. I have a data frame with 3 calculated fields added by an apply statement like this. The calculated fields are booleans, but with a catch. They can contain null values. I am trying to find the average of the boolean columns, with each average ignoring the null fields for that column. I've tried something like this. The problem is that since the true/false/none boolean is an object type, pandas drops the columns entirely as a nuisance column. I can't convert the column to a bool, though, because it makes the null values false. I also tried the long route and created 3 separate data frames for each aggregate, so I could drop the null values and convert to bool, which can be aggregated. This gives me the data I'm looking for, but in 3 separate data frames. Is there a way to get one data frame with the average of each column, ignoring nulls?
Convert them to numeric columns. The none will become nan, trues become 1, and falses become 0. A convenient way to convert the whole data frame is to use pd.to_numeric with the errors parameter set to ignore. This will leave the grouping column alone because it will error out on move on. Consider the data frame df. This is what converting to numeric looks like. Using this with the subsequent groupie should get you what you want.